The QuickBooks Online Desktop app lets you access all the features of QuickBooks Online without using a browser. Let's go over how to download the app and use its built-in productivity tools. We'll cover how to stay signed in for up to 180 days, work across multiple companies and tasks at the same time, use split screen to view two pages side by side, and use custom shortcuts to move faster. Note that the QuickBooks Online app works for both Windows and Mac operating systems. To download the QuickBooks Online Desktop app, open QuickBooks Online and select the Settings icon. Then choose Get the Desktop app and follow the prompts to install it. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with the same user ID and password you use for QuickBooks Online. After signing in, the desktop app can keep you signed in for up to 180 days unless you sign out manually. This allows you to open the app and start working without entering your credentials each time. With the desktop app, you can use QuickBooks Online in an interface that looks and feels more like QuickBooks Desktop. The desktop app makes it easy to work across multiple companies and tasks at the same time. Each company opens in its own tab along the top of the screen. Select the plus icon to open another company without signing out. Within each company, you can also open additional tabs to switch between pages and tasks without losing your place. Select the three-dot menu, then choose Split Screen to work on two tasks at the same time. The window divides into two panels where you select the second task you want to view. Both windows appear side by side. For example, review customer information while entering or updating transactions. If this is a workspace you use often, you can pin the tab so it stays available while you work. Right-click the tab and select Pin tab. Pinned tabs move to the left so you can quickly return to them at any time. If you use more than one monitor, you can move tabs to another display to organize your workspace. Right-click the tab, then select Move tab to New Display. The tab opens on another monitor, so you can keep that task visible while continuing to work in the main window. Now that you're working across multiple displays, you can use Manage Displays to keep track of all of your open workspaces. Select Manage Displays to view thumbnails of each display. From here, you can quickly switch between them or move workspaces between displays. You can also customize the apps that appear in the navigation panel. Select the Customize icon in the Shortcuts section to open the Shortcut Manager. From here, you can add, remove, or reorder apps to quickly access the pages you use most. Now you're ready to use the QuickBooks Online app and work more efficiently.